Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I want to invite you, along with Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse, Irene from Irene Huff's Doll Space, and Gosha from Dolls, Trolls, and More, to the Boy Doll Challenge coming up on the 25th of each month, actually. This month, we're asking you to use any boy doll you want. Sit down, Fritz. And I brought Fritz out because he's the color of what we're doing. We're doing anything green. Dress your boy doll, any boy doll, from frogs to reborns, kins, everyone's invited. Dress them in green for the holiday, and I threw in a little orange just for fun with the chair. We hope you will join us. We hope that you will enjoy dressing your boy dolls in green, and we hope you'll join us every month. Thank you so much, Cynthia, Irene, and Gosha. Please go by their channels today. They will also have an invitation video, and you'll want to see it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.